Hello everyone. Today, we are starting an exciting journey into the world of luxury motorhomes. If you have ever imagined traveling with 5-star comfort on wheels, this video is made just for you. From futuristic designs to million-dollar interiors, we are exploring 15 of the most luxurious motorhomes that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive right in first, the Marchi Mobil EleMMent Palazzo Superior. This futuristic masterpiece looks straight out of a sci-fi movie and features a panoramic cockpit, heated floors, yacht-inspired interiors, and a sky lounge that rises from the roof. Every detail is meticulously crafted, making it one of the most expensive and impressive motorhomes in the world. Next is the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus, a $2 million rolling palace. Italian leather, Swarovski crystals, rare marble, and even a built-in garage lift for a sports car make this motorhome the ultimate symbol of extravagance. Third on our list is the Prevost H3-45 VIP. A favorite among celebrities and touring artists, it features aircraft-grade suspension, ultra-quiet interiors, and premium materials throughout. This motorhome is not just transportation, it's a private luxury suite on wheels. The fourth is the Newmar King Aire. This motorhome combines powerful engineering with modern smart home technology. It has advanced climate control, a residential kitchen, and an incredibly quiet cabin for long-distance luxury travel. Fifth, the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. Every inch of this motorhome is handcrafted. From the cabinetry to the furniture to the Crestron-controlled lighting, it feels like stepping into a high-end penthouse. Number 6 is the Marathon Coach 1400X, built on a Prevost chassis. It features theater-style lighting, LED ceiling panels, a luxury kitchen, and a polished interior. Every detail is fine-tuned to perfection. 7th is the Volkner Mobil Performance S, famous for its hidden center garage where you can slide in a Porsche or Ferrari. Combined with yacht-inspired design and advanced engineering, it is one of Europe's most impressive luxury motorhomes. 8th, the Embark by Entegra. This motorhome offers glossy interiors, full-size residential appliances, and a spacious living area. It is designed for travelers who want home-like comfort on the road. 9th, the Foretravel IH-45, known for its custom engineering and adaptive suspension. Its interiors are fully personalized, making it ideal for those who want safety, durability, and high-end style while traveling. 10th, the American Coach Eagle, a rolling mansion with porcelain flooring, hardwood cabinetry, and massive panoramic windows. It feels like stepping into a boutique apartment that moves with you. Number 11 is the Renegade Icon, built on a heavy-duty Super C chassis. It is powerful, stable, and features plush furniture, entertainment systems, and premium lighting, giving it a celebrity-level feel. Number 12 is the Dumbbell Motorhome, inspired by luxury yachts. It includes advanced technology, spacious interiors, and an optional garage for a supercar, perfect for elite travelers who demand performance and comfort. 13th is the Winnebago Horizon. With Scandinavian minimalist design, ambient LED lighting, soft-close cabinets, and sleek interiors, the Horizon stands out as a modern and stylish home on wheels. 14th is the Tiffin Zephyr, featuring a 605 horsepower engine, spa-style bathroom, and premium tile flooring. It is smooth, spacious, and perfect for long road trips. Finally, number 15 is Anderson Mobil Estates, expandable 2-story motorhomes often used by Hollywood celebrities. They include lounges, offices, master bedrooms, and even rooftop decks. These are literally luxury estates on wheels. And that wraps up our list of 15 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Each one is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and comfort, proving that travel can be just as incredible as the destination itself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which motorhome impressed you the most. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next exciting adventure on the road of luxury.